What is up, JL Life? Modo here. Today's video, we're going to be upgrading the trailer. Hi. So bought the trailer a while ago and been wanting to do some upgrades to it. I've done a few, and by a few, I upgraded the emergency brake pull pin. And I added some extra tie downs. I also want to add a toolbox and a winch to this trailer, but I'm not there yet. It's something that I think is equally important that you don't see very many videos talking about. Is a tire pressure monitor system for your tires. Seems important. So this is not an expensive product. It's actually relatively affordable. So what I'm going to be using today are the Tymate TPMS sensors. This will work on anything from old to new. This monitors your tires 24/7, so long as the vehicle is on. Inside the box, you have your head unit. It does have a bypass for USB-C and a USB-A. Few buttons on the top, plus, set, and minus. There's some spare parts in here. This looks like going to be some anti-theft nuts. No anti-theft is truly anti-theft. It's just supposed to make things a little bit more difficult, but I'll show you guys that here in a bit. There is a tool to take apart the tire TPMS sensors, so when you need to replace the batteries, you can. I wish this was a little bit easier. All right, after some tooling, I was able to get it removed, but once you pop it apart, you can throw in your sensor, open them. Then you have your 4 TPMS sensors, and they are labeled which tires are supposed to go on. So first things first, you have to install the head unit. Super easy. Oh, all right. Broken out of the box, maybe? Button doesn't click. Well, fast forward several weeks. We got the new one in. Let's try this again. First thing you need to do, start the vehicle. Unfortunately, I don't have any inconspicuous spot to put it. I gotta put it up here in my dash. Just plug it in. It shall turn on. Okay. It's just not showing well on the phone, but it looks good to the eyes, but it's showing all the PSIs. Oh my God. I know you guys can't see it, but it's there. It's easy to see in person. It's telling me the PSI and the tire temperature for each corner. But the next thing we need to go do is go put these on the trailer. It literally is just as easy as taking off the screw cap and matching the right cap to the right tire. I'm gonna go do this all 4 real quick. Okay, back into the truck. Unfortunately, it's not picking up the signal. All the tires are still reading 0 PSI. They do sell a signal booster, particularly work with trailers. I'm gonna have to look at investing in one of those. Unfortunately, it didn't work with the trailer and the range between the truck and where the tires were on the trailer, but I'd hate just to not use it. So let's just go throw it on the Mustang just so I can show you guys how it works. And at least in the Mustang, I should be able to show you the screen a lot better because the 12 volt is in a much more accessible spot than the truck. Start it. Plug in. There we go. Yeah. And it's just screwing these on. Back into the car. You can see I have a tire readout and temperature on all 4 of the tires. It also has a battery gauge. Of course, 14.2 is where my volts are right now, which is exactly where it should be. You may be wondering why something like this on the trailer would be useful. Well, you don't feel low tire pressure, and driving around on low tire pressure, especially if you're towing a heavy load, you're more likely to have a blowout on the freeway, which of course you want to avoid. So being able to monitor the tires is going to make life easier, not just for me, but for anyone who
monitors or tires.
It does not have the ability to custom set PSIs for the tires. What it does do, it has a wide range of PSIs that it monitors, obviously from 0, I believe it's up to 81 PSI, so you still need to make sure you're paying attention to the tires and where the PSI is. Now that's not to say that this does not have the ability to notify you when your tires are low. It does have an alarm when your tires get set, when your tires PSI gets below a certain threshold, which according to the instructions is 15 PSI. When the tire pressure sensor batteries are getting low, it'll let you know. This also has a rapid PSI loss sensor, so in the event you get a rapid tire deflation while you're driving, you'll get notification that the PSI is dropping fast, so that way you can make safety adjustments to make sure that you don't have a catastrophic failure while going down the freeway. And of course, like there is a low PSI sensor, there is also a high PSI sensor. And this is to notify you if your PSI is too much. Obviously, overfilling your tires is not a very wise idea. It's dangerous. A tire can pop, and of course, once you start factoring in putting a load on the tires, driving, the tires heat up, which causes more stress for the tires, and situations like that kind of induce a blowout on the freeway, which you don't want to happen. Now, I really did want to put this on my trailer, but it just didn't reach from the trailer to the truck, so it's not going to work. They do sell a signal extender. I may look into getting that. I just don't know yet, but for now, I'll just keep it on the Mustang. So the first unit I got was broken. The screen didn't light up, and one of the buttons didn't work. I reached back out to Tymate. They did send me another one. It took roughly about 3 to 4 weeks for them to get it back out to me. But kudos for them to sending it out. So I do have 2 gripes about this unit. One, the head unit doesn't have an auto sleep feature. It's been plugged into my Mustang for roughly about half an hour now. I haven't touched the Mustang and the head unit is still on. I know that really depends on which 12-volt plug you're using, because some are always on, some are only on when the ignition is on. I understand that. It would have been nice if it auto shut off when the vehicle was off, but I mean, it is what it is. Might just be safer to unplug it. The other gripe I have is going to be the tool to take off the caps to replace the batteries. Now, I really like the fact that they included a tool. The issue with the tool I had, it was just a pain in the butt to take apart, but after working it a couple times, it loosened up. You don't have to twist it. It just pulls apart. There's just not a very good way to grab it outside of using something like a screwdriver, but these are minor complaints. But guys, if you're interested in this product, there will be a link to Amazon in the description below. Go and check it out. It wasn't too expensive. And it's a nice peace of mind knowing what your tire PSI is at. Before it's too late and you have a blowout, you come out and you're just at a flat. But guys, thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Till the next one, y'all. Keep it easy.